This is an energetic healing to help you to release self-judgment. If you'd like to receive this healing, you can say yes, either silently or aloud. And to receive this healing, please make sure that you're not driving or operating machinery at this time. So take a deep breath and I'll begin to send this energy now. So just breathe as this energy begins to come through. Just breathing and receiving this energy. As it's coming through to help and assist you to release all self-judgment. So as well as releasing self-judgment, this energy helps to foster your ability for unconditional love of yourself. Loving yourself is the first thing that you can do to bring in love for everything else and everyone else in your life. So breathe and receive this energy. Let it flow through you now. This energy also has a cleansing effect on all stagnant feelings, limiting beliefs, feelings of being unlovable, and helps you to express your true thoughts and feelings. It renews courage and helps you to express your inner self. So just continue breathing and receiving this energy. And maybe bringing to mind anywhere that you are holding on to feelings of judgment towards yourself, thoughts of judgment towards yourself for something that you may have done or not done. And this might be in the past, or it might be something present that you're present to. Just allowing the energy to go into those spaces now. And clearing a path for you to really see and connect with yourself as your unique being. Bringing in self-forgiveness where that needs to come in. And self-acceptance. Maybe also bringing to mind anywhere that you might be comparing yourself to anyone else. And letting this energy help you to release those thoughts and feelings of comparison. And bringing you back to awareness of your unique self. putting you in touch with your own sense of creativity, activating a sense of courage and optimism in your own abilities, and optimism for your future. So breathing and receiving as the energy runs, clears and activates in every area that you need it to now around self-acceptance, releasing self-judgment. And this energy is running for everyone listening at any time in the future, so that you can come and listen again and receive this energy and this healing. Just sensing everywhere and anywhere in your body that you may have been holding on to these feelings, and just feeling the release in those places now. Just noticing the images, memories, sensations that come up with this energy, and just knowing that the release is occurring in those spaces, in those memories. So I'm going to bring in another energy to help to clear away everything that's come up in this healing that's ready to be released now. So just breathing and feeling this energy coming in, and feeling that deeper release, settling, clearing, letting go of everything that you're ready to let go of today. And I'm going to request a shower of light to come in and just to wash through and rinse through all the debris that may have been left behind from this healing. And requesting that all of this healing is sealed and anchored in for you, so that you get to keep and hold on to all the healing and the clearing that we've just done today. So taking a deep breath, and just feeling your energy and your consciousness come back into your body. Just feeling yourself anchor back in, sensing your toes and your feet on the floor. with another deep breath, you can open your eyes. And as usual, I'm going to encourage you to drink plenty of water to help these energies to process and to rest, and just be very gentle with yourself as you go along your day. And do come back and listen to this as often as you might need to, and I'll see you again very soon.